Okay, I want to share to you about how to make a basic model of tiled roof of Scandinavian house. First of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle. We can click from this origin and drag to the another side around 5 meter. Then bring the cursor to the behind around 5 meter and enter. This is just for simple and for 3D model exploration. Then we can click the surface and push it up until 4 meter and enter. Okay, then we can click this line and select a move and move it down around 1 meter. Okay, so this is about the basic models of Scandinavian house. And I'm sorry, we have to repeat it again because it has glitch in here. We can move it down around 1 meter and enter. Okay, and then we can click this line. Okay, we can click this 1, 2, 3 line in here. Then we can select offset and offset it inside around 300 millimeter. Enter. Then we can click this surface and push it to the front around 500 millimeter and enter. Okay, then we can click this line and select a move, tap control, click this line and move it up around 2.4 meter and enter. Then we can click this line and select a move, tap control, click this line and place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary line over there and we can draw the line in here. So this is about the entrance and this is about the glazing surface over there. And okay, and then we can make the materials. We can assign the materials with using roof. Click this roofing in here and we can adjust for the level of darkness, and then we can select the glazing and select the translucent glazing in here with the blue glazing, or we can adjust for the opacity in here and set the colors of the glazing itself. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then and after that we can also draw the another elements. For example, we can draw the circle swimming pool or mini pool in here. We can type 64s and enter and click to this position. Then we can offset it inside around 300. We can make the jacuzzi. This is a jacuzzi anyway. So we can set the water materials in here. Maybe we can use this one, or we can use this appropriate water, and we can type 3000 millimeter. Okay, then we can select the concrete and assign for the concrete materials and also the landscaping materials with using the appropriate landscape element over there. And don't forget to assign the another materials in here. Okay, we can make it first, then we can delete some unnecessary line in here. Okay, and it's done. And we can also set the flooring with using the wood, and we can assign the wood materials over there. I'm sorry. Okay, we need to create the section plane in here. Okay, then we can adjust the section plane and we can deactivate the display section fill. Okay, now we can deactivate the section line and we can now assign the flooring in here. So if we see from the outside, it will be a grid. Thanks for watching and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.